What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally going to get back to work on the Supra build. It's been a couple months since I've uploaded anything because this build has been put on hold for a couple of reasons. The main reason was the wheels. I thought I had a set ordered, and after I found out the lead time on the wheels, I ended up canceling them. I've been looking for other stuff ever since. I think I finally found a set that I like, and the lead time's pretty reasonable. So I think we're going to get those ordered. The second major reason was the tires. If you take a look over here, I ordered a set of Toyota Triple Eights. Took me forever to find these. I really wanted to run these tires. I actually found them on Walmart's website. They said they had two of both sizes I needed, so I immediately ordered those. After waiting 2 weeks for them to show up, I realized they only sent me four of the same tire, which is for the front. So I still have no tires for the rear. After talking to customer service, they're not expecting the rear size to be in until February. So I'm probably gonna have to return those and find another set of tires. Overall, this has just been quite the journey trying to find everything, but it's been several months, and I really want to get this thing finished and painted and on the road. So without further ado, we are gonna get back to work on the Supra, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so my plan of attack for this install is I'm going to start with the wing to get warmed up, because that's pretty simple. Then we're going to pull the front bumper off here and get the front lip installed, the carbon fiber lip. And then we're going to go over to the passenger side and start with the rear over fender, because you have to line up with the gas tank or gas cap first. And then we'll just work our way down the side of the car up to the front, and then we'll just mirror it on the driver's side. So once that's all bolted up, then we can start the body work. Once the body work's finished, then we will build our paint booth in the garage and start painting this thing. And then while we're painting that, I'm also gonna get my Jeep painted. I have all the pieces mounted on this, so we're gonna get all this painted the body color and probably just respray the whole thing since we're doing it all. So let's get started. All right, guys, so there it is. We just got the wing installed. Everything turned out really good. I have heard a lot of people complaining about the fitment of this wing. Really wasn't that bad. Once we got it in place and screwed everything in, we left everything loose until we actually bolted everything down tight. But you can see, I mean, the fit is pretty tight. I don't have any gaps like a lot of people complain about. So still have to tighten it all down 100%, but it's on, it's good to go. We're gonna jump on the front of the car now, get the bumper off, and then start the front lip. Alright guys, so we just took the front bumper off. It took literally 5 minutes. It's like a bunch of screws, unplug the two sensor wires, and that's it. So we're gonna get the carbon fiber lip, get that in place, and then see what we have to do to bolt that in. Alright guys, there's the lip. We just got it situated under the bumper. I'm probably gonna install this with some riv nuts. All you do is use the holes that are on the factory bumper. I'm gonna just drill through there and get this thing bolted down. Alright guys, so we're going to be moving on to the point of no return. First thing we're going to do is get this rear body panel mounted. It lines up with the gas cap just like that. And then we have to bolt this thing down to use this as our starting point. Once we get that in place, we're going to be pulling this black factory skirt off and then mounting the Streethunter side skirt on. So once those two pieces are on, then we'll either move on to the rear section of the car where we have to cut to get that piece to fit, or we will move on to the front section of the car where we have to get this cut for the front section to fit. So we'll see after we get those started, but for now let's get started. Well, there it is. We've just got the first two pieces of the kit bolted to the car and installed. Everything seems to be fitting very well. Our gaps are very consistent. Everything seems to fit together pretty good. We're definitely going to have some body work. I've seen a lot of people talk about this space here, especially by the gas cap. So we'll get all that taken care of when we actually get to the body work phase of this thing. But that's probably going to do it for this video, guys. I want to keep these videos shorter and post them a little bit more frequently so that I can get updates out faster. But in the next video, we are definitely going to be cutting the car. We're going to start with these wheel wells so that we can get the rest of the body panels installed on the car. So if you want to stay up to date with this build, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It really helps the exposure on these videos and it really means a lot. So until next time, guys, I will see you around. Peace.